Next exercise we're going to do is the typewriter push-up. The way you do this exercise, you're going to place your hands almost at a V. If you see my hand here, it's not going to be pointing straight ahead. It's going to be pointing at an angle, almost like a 35-degree angle. And you're going to go wide. You're going to go wide on the floor with your fingers, with your feet touching together. When you come down, you're going to come down on one end of either right or left, and then you're going to stay low and you're going to transition to the next hand and you're going to come up. The next repetition, you're going to come down on the opposite hand. You're going to stay low, you're going to transition low, and then you're going to come up. Down, transition, up. The typewriter push-up.